Testing, testing. Hi there. My name is Rohan Bebe, and today we are going to be talking about evolution. Have you ever wondered the history about you? Yes, you. I'm talking to you right now. I'm talking to you, personally you, and always you. Yeah, I'm talking about the history of you. Where did you come from? What was your name before the 18th century or the 20 millionth century? I don't know, something like that. What makes you you? Where did you come from? What is your species? Who are you? I'll tell you all that in evolution. So what is the theory of evolution, to be exact? Alright, let's talk about first the process of evolution. Like, how is you before you? You understand what I'm talking about? Okay, so here we have you. Okay, I'm gonna call this Bob. Okay, this guy's name is Bob. Okay, Bob's legacy goes back millions of centuries to when life began on Earth. How? Here's how. All right, we cut off his liver, and we go down into his cells. Inside the cells, we have the cell. Inside the cell, we have the nucleus. Inside the nucleus, we have the chromosomes. Inside the chromosomes, we have the DNA. And mainly, how is DNA reproduction goes on about? Not DNA reproduction. Cell reproduction mainly goes like this. The nucleus splits in two, then the entire body of the cell splits in two, making two sister cells. So there is a parent cell, then the two nucleus spread out, sister cell splits open, okay? And they're identical copies, but sometimes there could be genetic mutations. What are they, to be exact? First and foremost, inside the DNA, the little structures here, sometimes most of the time when a cell reproduces itself, it's mainly just perfectly clean, but sometimes the DNA can change, mutating the cell to a new kind of variant. Sometimes it could be good, sometimes it could be bad. So this is like, let's just say this is like, okay, this marker is dead. Okay, let's just say this entire thing, okay, took 2.5 billion. Billion, okay? It took 2.5 billion years from this guy with a Glock to this monkey in the tree. Okay, it starts from this monkey, then it reproduces like 5 generations later, then a new variant of the monkey all of a sudden comes out due to genetic shifts. Then this new monkey, if it can live long enough to reproduce, makes it newborn, the new monkey makes more monkeys that are the same like it. So it's a new type of monkey. Then monkey grows smart. It genetically mutates again for benefiting, and it basically goes on with natural selection. There's another video about that I made. So eventually, the monkey turns into prehistoric prehumans. I'll call them prehumans. Okay, so these prehumans here, they're slowly losing their tail, and they're still changing, so they reproduce, and the genetic mutation happens, boom, another variant comes out of nowhere. Then this variant starts to reproduce, and boom, another variant. That's you. Yeah, your great grandfather was born on that day, on that specific day, and then he reproduces. Then all the way back to you, Bob. Yeah, that is your genetics, Bob. Okay, and that is mainly the basic example of evolution and how it's mainly made. What the idea of it is, and what it's used for. And with the process of natural selection and with the conditions of it, like if the creature lives in a jungle and what kind of stuff it eats, that kind of thing, you know. For example, how about instead of you, how about let's go to a whale, you know? Sometimes they were like this big, they walked on land, they had feet, they breathe. I mean, whales already breathe, but they weren't aquatic. But through the power of evolution and fossils, we have evolution. We got from this thing to big whale. And that is mainly the process of evolution. How one change in DNA can change everything. That is my quote. From one change, it's like the butterfly effect. When a simple thing makes a big effect. Like how one change can make a big difference. One change in the DNA, boom, a new variant. Then it can go all the way from this to this. And that is mainly the basic idea of evolution. Thank you for watching this video and hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.